Welcome back, you guys. What's up? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Thanks for tuning in to another vlog. We got the homie Kenny over there hiding, doesn't want to be on film. Although this video is going to be all about him working on the car. We're here at AA Auto Works. If you guys need anything, hit them up. Hit up Kenny. He works weekends and holidays too for free. No, I'm kidding. Hit him up during the week, you guys. He's always here, always working on cars. But we are going to be installing, finally. You guys saw the last video, and if you haven't, go check it out. I'm working with a company called Apex Built, and they hooked me up with some titanium front mount intakes for the F80. It's gonna be so sick. It's one of my favorite and most wanted mods for the M3. The stock ones you can barely hear, and so once we do the new intakes, you should be able to hear it so much more loud outside of the car. I'm curious to see how it's gonna sound inside the cabin. I mean, we barely hear it now with the stock ones, but I want to see if I hear less or even just a little bit more than the stock ones. But I know because they are on the exterior, it's going to be more pronounced on the outside of the car. So people on the street are going to hear it when you fly by, when you let off. Should sound really sick. I can't wait. All right, so as you guys know, you guys seen me do the unboxing. Came with all the fittings and of course the titanium piping. But as you guys know, mine did come with black intake filters. I ended up purchasing some white ones, you guys. So I haven't unboxed these yet. Hopefully they're about the same size. I haven't compared them yet. Like I said, these are still in the box. Never opened them yet. Just got them in the mail a couple days ago. But I just wanted something that was white that you could see. So as you guys know, Kenny had wrapped my V-brace bar in the front, a gloss white. And if I'm going to be running the front mount intakes, I didn't want to run, you know, like a red, green, or a blue cone. The only other option was to go white, but I was a little hesitant because I don't know how dirty they're going to actually get while driving. Again, the grill's wide open, bunch of dust, dirt is going to get on them. I don't know how often I'm going to have to clean them up, but I'm going to be keeping my black ones just in case. Hopefully you see them pretty well. It should be pretty cool to have the white bars there, and then also the white cones that you'll be able to see in the front. It should make it look super aggressive. Just again, took the car to work today just so I could come here straight after work. Shout out to Kenny. Was gonna have the homie Daniel work on my car, but he unfortunately couldn't do it today. I did want to get it done, and Kenny was available, so I had everything with me in the car. So he's gonna go ahead and help me out.
Hold on. You know, I have a good idea.
Wait, I'm vlogging already. This isn't the vlog.
All right.
That's your good idea, bro.
All right.
Yeah, just tell the people so we can do it.
Later.
All right, well, this is Ayers and his M4.
Shout out.
CS.
Shout out, Mark.
But anyways, we're showing his car because I just noticed he's got front mount intakes on his as well. And yeah, I just wanted to ask you, what do you think about your front mount?
Honestly,
Do you recommend it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Definitely. The engine breathes better. You give it like a nice aggressive look with the yellow DRLs on the icons.
I gotta do that too. I gotta hear it. So hopefully once we put this all back together. Damn, you taking more stuff off? Bro, I thought we were putting it back together. I don't know. We'll see if we can get this thing on the street today. Get some flybys and maybe see how those front mounts sound and compare it to mine once we install mine. All right, you guys. So Ayers not only has a beautiful one-of-one CS convertible M4. It's like pushing almost, what you say, 900, 1,000? And he's got the X6M, super clean. This thing has crazy burbles too. Got the red guts. It's quick. We've been in his car before. Definitely a fun car. Definitely at some point I need to pick up an SUV. But for now, we're just going to keep modifying the M3. And what Ayers does too is he can code your car.
Yes.
He's done it for like everybody except for me. So we're getting it done. We're going to do full screen Apple CarPlay. I have a 2018, but I have yet to do the full screen. And let me tell you, kind of sucks looking at it when it's only half screen, to be honest. So pretty hyped that we know someone that can do it.
Yeah, and I'm local in LA. So
yeah,
for all LA people, can do it for you guys.
He'll pull up to you.
Yeah.
Just give him your address. He'll pull up. Or you guys can meet up out here, but yeah, he's local. So if you guys are out here in the valley, hit him up. He'll do you right. He does tunes too. What else you do?
Tunes, codings, programming, diagnostics. Yeah.
He can do it all. Can you show them how my half screen, that little trash. So that's what I always look at. It's always just half the screen.
Ew.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Don't worry, the people from the split screen community can, can tell how you feel.
Yeah, yeah. Can you also? I've seen they can play movies. How do they do that?
Yeah, we can do video in motion. We can do Android screen mirroring, and we can update the maps, the original maps that come with your head unit.
Okay.
And on top of all that, I can even do the GTS tunes, M4CS transmission flush, Euro MDM, and a lot of other goodies.
In mine, you guys, I had the newest
NBT Evo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have the newest NBT Evo.
But
with
if
the latest software update. But some of, actually all cars 16, 17, and 18 early production year not gonna have the updated software version of NBT Evo N or above.
So that's what you guys need to know. So if you guys have one of those years, the earlier models of the F8X, you're gonna need the software updates. So keep that in mind. For us, it's a little bit cheaper because we're doing the just full screen. We don't have to do all the software update, but the most expensive part is doing the software updates.
Correct.
Uh-oh. We're loading.
Yeah, flashing time.
So how do people, I don't know, is it possible like where you can watch YouTube videos on there too?
Yeah, if you have an Android phone,
Uh-huh.
you can buy any Android like Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, or whatever, for like $100. Connect your personal hotspot from your iPhone to it. That's it. You can screen mirror it. You can watch YouTube, Netflix.
But there's nothing for the Apple.
The Apple, only all the jailbroken phones can work with this, but usually I wouldn't recommend it. Just get a cheap Android phone. You should be good, guys.
Show me the money.
It's trying to connect to your phone right now for the first time, but it's gonna connect with full screen CarPlay. There it is. Bam.
Dang, bro, that's sick.
That's it.
So even when I'm doing my maps and everything,
Everything.
Waze, all that.
Yeah, look at maps. This is touchscreen.
Yeah.
Look, maps.
Full screen, baby. Let's go, dude. That's sick.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bro, you're welcome.
Yeah, you guys, it's a must. Honestly, it's so annoying when I see just half of my screen being played. All right, you guys, we're gonna throw this in the vlog. Shout out to the homie Carl and Kenny. But again, we're out here at AA Auto Works. So if you guys need any body work, paint, anything, installs, I'm telling you, hit them up. They're really awesome people. They always take care of me, and I keep coming back for more stuff. Car is actually going to be going back into the paint booth pretty soon because we're going to be paint matching some more things, but saving that for another vlog. They wanted me to go ahead and take out their awesome hybrid Hyundai. I don't even know the name of this car. Look at that. It's got white wheels, you guys. If you guys are trying to roll in style. Damn, I just got close and look at that. The door handles open up. What the? I think they might have wrapped it just to give it that extra little flavor and sauce. But yeah, they're going to be renting this out. So if you guys ever need a car, it is electric. You can just charge it up. You're not going to be paying for gas when you do rent it out. I don't know anything about this car, but we're going to go take it for a drive. If you guys do end up getting any kind of work from them, obviously you guys can rent it from them. Or if you guys just need a car to rent, maybe your car's down, they're going to be probably getting some more cars in their fleet to rent out. I'm sure they got good prices, so make sure you guys hit them up. Hit unlock. Boom. Damn. Jeez. Better than a Tesla. Damn, it smells nice. This thing must be brand spanking new. Wow. I don't even know. Oh, dang. Okay. That's crazy. That's like the new BMW style too, where they got the full dash. Very nice. It's super, super spacious in here. Definitely can fit. There's so much leg room. And these seats are pretty far back already too. But yeah, I guess the car is on. We're gonna go take it for a drive. All your window controls are here in the center. Nothing on the door. Very clean. Electric seats too, which is nice. Again, these screens are crazy. Super high def, super LED, super bright. All right, let's go for a little drive. Oh damn, you just turn that thing and it goes into drive. Yo, the suspension in here is nice. These cars are always such a trip when you guys hear them. It literally sounds like we're in a Jetsons movie. That's cool. When you let off, it even brakes a little bit for you. Oh. Okay. Picks up speed pretty nice. Look, I'm gonna try to veer off into the other lane. It literally will turn your wheel back into the lane. I literally can drive with no hands. And it's not gonna put me into a different lane. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but watch. You guys will tell when the car actually, when I really step on it, you'll hear a noise. Jeez, this thing's fast. This is everything you want in a nice little daily rental. It's perfect. Woo! Bro, his car's so loud. Jeez.
Damn.
This fool just transformed into a convertible, bro. That's crazy. Dude, your car's hella loud. Oh my. Alright, let me move my car and then let's go drive. Alright. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna move my car and then we're gonna hop in Ariz's car.
It's really scary, man.
Alright, well drive safe then, bro.
No, we'll drive safe, but it's really scary, bro.
Let's go. First time. This is the first time, bro.
Yeah. With the full leather interior swap.
Okay. Carbon everywhere.
Hear the turbos?
Yep. With that performance steering wheel, it's the way to go.
Yep.
See, I need all this. I need all this extra little carbon goodies. Oh my.
Get ready for the ride of your lifetime, bro.
Bro, you straight up took over my vlog. It's coming here to install intakes and now we're just... It's all about errors today. It's crazy. Oh my God. That's so loud.
Always warm up the tires.
Yep. That's so loud.
Charge pipe is out.
You feel it?
Yeah, charge pipe with J pipe. Let me see.
Uh-oh.
Let's see what we got here.
We might have blown something off.
J pipe. J pipe. Look.
Oh shit, it just completely came off.
Completely out. See?
Oh.
Hit it.
Alright. Can't push it until we get back, yeah. Uh-oh. Kenny. Gotta tighten it. Oh my God. Yeah, you can hear it.
You can hear the boost leak.
Yeah. We're back.
Something happened, my G. Tell him.
Too much boost.
What came out?
1,000 horsepower.
Jack off pipe.